Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your Facebook post to story. So let's dive into our Facebook. So this is our Facebook now. And this, I want you to know one thing. You can only share a post, a story that is public. It is for public. That is what you can share. Let's see now. I'm going to scroll and see if there's any story that I can find here that is public. A video, let's say, that is public. Let's say. Okay now, say now, this is it now. Let me just go back. You can see I want to post this thing now as my story now. Let me go and put something more random as my story. Okay, this now I want to post this. I want to post this as my story now. Just click on this, just share. Once you click on share, now you can see you can just come here. You want to share on Messenger or WhatsApp or group or your story, just click on your story here. You can say, and you can add anything here. You can add the text, you can add the music, you can add anything, you can add a caption. If you don't want to add anything, just click on share, and this is processing, and this is it. You'll see it now. See it now. This is it on my story here. What I post here now, the story, it is it. You can see it is now sharing. So this is very sorry. Let's go back. This is it now. It's preparing to share. So this is it. It's very easy. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.